Ready to transform any piece of clothing from boring to bold with a custom pattern in Photoshop. First, open your image of the clothing item in Adobe Photoshop. Make sure your layers panel is visible. You can usually find it on the right side of your screen now. Let's get that pattern in place. We're going to need our pattern ready. So if you don't already have one, you can find free ones online or create your own. Once you have a pattern image, make sure to edit into the patterns panel in Photoshop. To do this, go to Edit, down to Define Pattern. This saves your pattern into Photoshop's memory. Now go back to your image. Click on the areas of flat color of the image where you want your pattern. Use selection tools like the magic wand or quick selection to get the area you want, or carefully use the pen tool for precision. Next, create a new layer. Click the new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel. It looks like a plus sign. Once you have created your new layer, make sure you have selected the area of clothing you want to add the pattern to. Now, let's apply the pattern. Go to Edit and Fill in the Fill dialog box. Choose Pattern as the contents, and then select your specific pattern from the Custom Pattern drop-down menu. Click OK. After selecting OK, switch up the blending style. Try out Multiply, Overlay, or Soft Light to see what works best for your image. And there you have it. With a few simple clicks, you've patterned your clothing. Experiment with scaling and different blending modes for a unique look. Have fun creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments below using #pattern design, #cloth design.